Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change desktop wallpaper on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Look, no disrespect to Apple default desktop wallpaper, but starting at the same combination of orange and yellow all day every day can get a bit boring. If you've long felt that your office life could use a bit of spicing up, a new wallpaper could be just the thing you need. So, how to do it if you want to change your desktop wallpaper on your MacBook? It's so simple. As you can see, my MacBook desktop wallpaper is landscape. You can open your system preferences or your settings, and you'll find there is an option desktop and screensaver. You can just click on that. Now there is an option desktop and screensaver. Because we want to change our wallpaper desktop, you can choose on desktop. After that, there's so much wallpaper that you can use, like the dynamic one. If you choose on dynamic wallpaper, so this picture will change throughout the day based on your location. Or you can also change to light or dark wallpaper, and then it's still. Maybe for the example, I will choose with desktop picture. I will choose this picture maybe for the example. You can just download it by tap on the wallpaper. As you can see, there's a notification that's still downloading. So you'll have to make sure that your MacBook is connected to internet. So now, as you can see, my desktop wallpaper is changed. You can also change your wallpaper with a photo that you have on your MacBook. You can choose on the photos or folders on here. You can also use a solid color for your wallpaper on your desktop. You can custom as you need. So that is how to change desktop wallpaper on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!